In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink Notion. Adding hyperlinks in Notion is a simple yet powerful way to connect your notes, reference external resources, or quickly navigate between pages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn any text into a clickable link, making your workspace more interactive and organized. To begin, open the Notion page where you want to insert your hyperlink. Once you're on the page, type out the text that you want to use as the hyperlink. For example, you might type the word hyperlink or any phrase that makes sense for your content. This text will serve as the clickable anchor for your link, so choose something clear and descriptive. Next, highlight the text by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Once selected, a small menu will appear with several formatting options. At the top of this menu, look for the option that says Add Link. Click on it, and a field will appear prompting you to enter the URL or web address you want to link to. Paste the link into this field and press Enter. Instantly, the text you highlighted transforms into a clickable hyperlink. Now, whenever you or anyone viewing your page clicks on this text, it will redirect to the web page or resource you linked. Using hyperlinks in Notion is extremely versatile. You can link to external websites, internal Notion pages, or even specific sections within a document. This makes it perfect for creating references, building resource libraries, or connecting related content without cluttering your workspace with long URLs. Remember, clear and concise anchor text improves usability. Instead of pasting long URLs directly into your page, use descriptive text so readers know exactly where the link will take them. Additionally, this technique keeps your Notion pages clean and visually appealing. And that's all there is to it. With just a few quick steps, you can easily add hyperlinks to any text in Notion, enhancing navigation and making your notes more interactive. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.